Anime at the beach. Should be an interesting one. Here we go.
Greetings.
Oh, serious one.
Made applesauce.
I posted questions on
Truck made applesauce. Apple I kicked on the road.
Oh.
People in YouTube land, I kicked the apple onto the road and it like rolled 5 feet from where I kicked it, and then truck ran over it. So yeah, funny.
Truck applesauce.
Yes, most edible kind.
Wow. Maybe if you live in Texas. Sorry, people in Texas.
Voting closes on September 1st.
Oh. Yeah, but hold them on by slow.
Oh, that's awesome!
Trevor, you okay, man?
Okay, let me swallow my potato chip.
Ouch. What the hell? Shish kebabs!
Grounders! Grounders?
Maybe? Not really. What's so funny?
Fucking your cosplay Kakashi instead of Chubby, eh, Kakashi?
I'm sure I didn't say rude. Oh, gosh. Because just come on for that.
Mind games are fun, aren't they?
Not really, if you hurt yourself. Oh, what you got there? Oh, a big stupid doo-doo head.
Are you hurting yourself? That's bad. Let's make myself out of this game for you. Maybe a lot easier.
Ooh. Grounders.
Hey, how's it going?
On this way, you're gonna fall right off.
I'm ninjas.
Yeah, you're gonna fall. You're gonna smash your head off the ground.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. You're gonna fall and smash your head off the ground that way too.
Grounders?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ortiz, or whatever. Grounders? Ortiz? Damn it. Ah. Then he's flying away on his This is blurting out the most obvious thing. Liking ass. Like maybe one day you and me will be together. And he's like, what? What did you say?
That's it for today. Winding down. Sorry I didn't get a whole lot, but I didn't really feel comfortable filming at the beach with all the little kids around and everything, so took a bunch of pictures. If you guys want to see the pictures, you can go on the Facebook page, Anime at Large. They'll all be on there. Or you can go to my Facebook page and I'll upload them there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little mini video for today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for the photo shoot. But we have a hurricane coming tomorrow, so there's a possibility we might not have the photo shoot. So fingers crossed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Hours into a game of Monopoly. I quit. It's 4 in the morning, Grandma. You win. I'm stuck on Baltic Avenue with crap. I always used to play with purple ones. You know, the projects. Those were mine.